Hey guys. Okay, hey. So today I'm filming a bronzy glowy makeup tutorial. A glowy bronzy glowy makeup tutorial, and this is what it looks like. And you could hear my uncle, my aunt, and my cousin talking the whole time. So if you're interested in seeing the video, just keep on watching. So first I'm gonna put on the Smashbox Photo Finish primer. It's like the Radiance one, so that it's radiant, so it's glowy and bronzy, because that's what I'm doing. And I'm gonna put it in my T-zone, so that it's primed in the areas that, you know, it comes off the most and stuff like that. Okay, and next I'm going to use the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray so that I can prime the rest of my face. And then I'm going to use the CC cream, but it's in this, because a dog attacked the bottle that it was in. So I'm going to put dots of this on my face. Might not match my skin, but it's fine. The CC cream is by It Cosmetics, by the way. In case you're wondering, I'm not quite sure what shade it's in. But then I'm going to blend that out with the Morphe Y6 brush. And I'm just going to swirl that on. That's my uncle, if you can hear that. I'm at my cousin's house, in case you were wondering. All my stuff is so fancy. It's my cousin's. So now I'm just blending all of this still. Just make sure it's like even, so I'm not all blotchy for no reason. I'm gonna blend my forehead out. Okay, now I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. It's in the shade Light. And I'm just going to place that under my eyes. On my chin. On my Cupid's bow. On what is this called? I never remember. Like literally every single time that I try to film one of these, I don't remember what that's called. I always think it's called the bone marrow, and I know it's not that, so I don't really know. Then I'm just going to blend out my concealer with the Morphe Y6 brush, the same one that I just had. This is so good, this blending brush. It's like amazing. My cousin's arguing with her dad about walking dogs. Her dog. Sunny Love. That's a dog thing. They're talking about me filming a makeup video. Okay, now I just have to do this side. I can only say good things about this concealer also. The Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. It's so nice. I think I'm gonna ask my dad to buy it for me. Because I'm broke. Maybe he will. Next, I'm going to contour my face with the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. And I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics like contour brush. And I'm going to use these 3 shades. Probably just these 2. That one's like extra dark. I don't know, maybe. Just going into both of them and then placing that where, like under my cheekbone, obviously, where you contour. And then I'm gonna do the same thing under my jawline, and down the front of my throat, so it all matches. Then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side of my face. Then I'm gonna flatten this kinda and dive into the lightest shade, which is in the center, and go under my lip, around my chin for like a pouty look. Oh, she's back. She's tiptoeing. That's my cousin coming in. Your dad and you were so loud about the dog. You were like, it's when you film yourself doing makeup. And he was like, why she doing that?
I can't believe that we watched Sunny.
Because we watched Sunny for like half a second.
We watched her.
True. So now I'm contouring my forehead. And I have to blend all this out with this big fluffy brush so I don't look like I have poop smeared on me. Then I'm going to I need more forehead action. Can you quit being so loud sucking that popsicle? And then I'm gonna flatten this like so and dip into the lightest shade in the center again. Still contour though, not the light one. And I'm going to contour my nose. Not like, could you stop? The underneath. Okay, what is this called on the nose?
The bridge.
The bridge. It's a bridge. And then I'm gonna go over the top. Okay, you're being the loudest you possibly can. Can you stop? We're done with that. Now, I'm gonna put chapstick on because I should have done that at the beginning. Oh my god. Then, I'm gonna take this little tiny blending brush. I'm actually gonna go back into here. And take the middle one that I use on my nose and stuff and just go in my crease. I don't need like a real shade. Cat, seriously, stop.
Dude, it's getting everywhere.
Okay, I don't care. And I'm gonna go in my crease again. And put more on because I actually like it. And then I'm gonna dip into the highlighting shade in the corner. Then back into the bronzing shade and do that on my lid a little bit. On both sides, obviously, because, you know, I feel like I'm in a movie theater with like a really annoying person behind me. Eating popcorn.
I break my phone down.
It's fine. I'm using her flashlight on her phone as a light so that it's not dark in here. And then I'm going to use the ochre highlight with this brush with hair all over it.
Don't even start.
Okay. And I'm going to highlight my cheekbones. On both sides, obviously.
I'm not home.
Dude.
Mom, someone with pizza rolls!
You're kidding. And then I'm gonna highlight my Cupid's bow. She's glistening. Then I'm gonna use a little on my finger. I'm actually going to scrape a little off because that's really bright. And I'm going to highlight my nose. Oof, oof. I need some more on my cheekbones.
Grace, what are you doing?
Oh my god.
We'll do that later when we come back.
I'm glistening.
The trash, right?
And then I'm gonna
When we come back from the funeral.
brush out my eyebrows with just this first. And then I'm gonna stick them in place with this clear mascara. The tag's ripped off, so I'm not quite sure what the brand is or anything, but
Great Lash by Maybelline.
Great Lash by Maybelline. And then I'm just gonna comb through my lashes with this. And just stick them down.
Jonna! Jonna! What are you doing?
Oh god. That was my uncle that I told you about earlier. Oh, this brow looks horrendous. Okay, so those are both done. Then I'm gonna highlight underneath of those with this again, obviously. That I used on my cheeks. On my brow bone. Between. Then I'm gonna do my inner corner. Then I'm gonna curl my lashes with this. Curl, 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 curl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then I'm gonna use this mascara. It's Chewed by Dog. It's called Get Big Lashes by Essence. And then I'm gonna.
How come your mom didn't take your money? Put the money back. How did I give it to her? Because I wanted to have it. Yeah. Make sure she did that.
I will. I'll just do it.
Right?
Then she can't not make it because it'll be in her account.
I mean, I know she has to need it.
I'm gonna do that.
You know what I mean? I would swear.
How you do with them?
If I wouldn't have heard Sonny, you know what I mean?
Hi, girls.
I would have
Hey.
got up.
Mom,
Hi, Blossom. When I
can I go to the funeral tomorrow?
No.
I'm trying to stay here.
our mass is tomorrow. Dad and I are gonna go. I can send you your regards.
Here, Trace, make sure she gets it.
Oh,
Look, you
Yeah.
don't even
no, I'm going to anyway. Because I'm putting on mascara.
right? Well, I didn't know till right now.
Then I'm gonna do my bottom lashes.
Look,
Just on the outer corner because I don't really need it all over. Then I'm gonna put on this lip gloss. It's Revlon. I don't know.
So what time are we heading up there?
We'll get up there by 10 to 6. Right? Yeah. We're at.
Okay, then I'm just gonna set my face with the Mario VSCO spray.
And I go get
It tasted bad. So, if you liked my video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want me to do more makeup tutorials. And subscribe to see videos about makeup and clothes. What? No, you're not getting in. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.